Advice for camping: don't begin without watching these pointers. Camping is a great activity that allows you to get away. But, without the proper planning, your trip might not be so enjoyable. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the things that you need to do in order to make sure that your camping trip is a success. If you are planning any kind of backcountry camping, a must-carry item is a fire starter kit. If you are in a survival situation, fire is a way to cook, keep you warm, purify water, and signal for help. Many camping stores sell fire starters that can be used when wet and do not require any fuel. Also, try making fire when you are not in a survival situation so you know you can do it if the need arises. Take only photos and leave only footprints. That is the rule of thumb when camping. Only use the natural resources that you need and do not leave any traces that you were camping when you leave. Pick up all trash, extinguish and cover any fire pits, bury all human waste, and make the area where you camped look exactly as it did when you found it. When you are planning a camping adventure, make sure you pack the appropriate clothing for your trip. Check the weather forecast and bring the clothing that will be needed on your trip. If it is going to be cold, make sure you have the appropriate coats, gloves, and shoes. Remember to also pack a rain poncho no matter what the weather forecast predicts. As stated before, camping is generally a great time away. However, proper preparation is key. Ensure your next trip is a great one by preparing in advance, packing well and making sure to follow the tips from the experts. And remember, have fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.